Cheers from Ed over at AntiqueToys.com. I'm assisting on a Mars auction coming up. It's coming up this Saturday, May 31st. And I wanted to go over the mini catalog that was sent out. This was a flyer that went out to a limited number of people. Don't feel bad if you didn't get one. Most of the auction's completely online. And that's part of the video I wanted to share. So stay tuned for more. This is one of our lots of the Erzgebirge wooden soldiers, the Black Forest soldiers. We're thinking there are about 3 sets in there. Below we've got a William Tell bank, which is a real nice cast iron bank for our bank people. And then we start off, always keep us in mind for cast iron. We've got a killer condition, killer desirability, killer color, arcade panel van. That's a white panel van. We have a white and black. It's going to be a 1930 Auburn cord. That's a beautiful piece. That's a custom done piece by Mike Tyree of California. We have a yellow Indian cast iron horse-drawn wagon. This is a carpenter piece. It's quite large. The base, just the back end of the base is probably about 10 inches. So the whole piece is at least 14, 15. We have a Hubley Panama coming up, and then we've got the venerable Hubley number 5 race cars where you flip it up and there's an engine below. Cool piece. For the mid-century, we're trying to keep it real with highly desirable current red lines. This 67 era Mustang has a desirable white interior in it. By the way, everything's on MarsAuctions.com. We also have a Cougar, custom Cougar. I think the Mustang's up to over 700. I think the Cougar's 500-600 at this point. We've even got Pythons, Bandits, Thunderbirds, all on card. Quite interesting. And then this auction, we're being very inclusive. We're touching on Joe's, G.I. Joe Terradrome, G.I. Joe Flag, and G.I. Joe 12-inch figures, which are awesome. Be sure to check out Baroness as well as Artan. And then for our main event, Tom Saloff toys. 4-door Packard, arguably the most sought after in terms of pop culture. The convertible Saloff toy with a Packard front end. This one's a Lalique. This is a Packard wood ornament, the lady with the donut. That's a heck of a toy. You can see the man there and everything's pinstriped. Each boxed. Then the Texaco. Tom had a cease and desist on this toy, so that's pretty special. Beautiful Chrysler 2-door, beautiful Chrysler 4-door, and a Barome, which is that interesting back end 2-door Barome. Good looking. I want to call it an Airstream, but it's not. It's the Silver Streak, I believe it is. We got a good old coupe. Another sedan in black. Both of those are boxed. Unusual. This is a nickel-plated Chrysler Airflow by Tom. And then the first model he did up there. Check out that Ford. Rounding things out, we have this store display, very sci-fi space. We're thinking it's a German store display. We've got Craigston Atomic, ray gun, rocket launcher, Cargosaur, Voltron. Look, we're even in the 80s. Megatron, Voltron. Woo! Pedal car. And then this, my friends, is a Turner. Gorgeous, gorgeous toy. the red Turner. And that boxed yellow Smith really has legs. It's tough color, very tough color if you're a Smith Miller person. And my personal favorite is this Fred Thompson tanker with pup. And if you have any questions, let us know. Please contact us. I'm Ed, toys at AntiqueToys.com. And check us out at MarsAuctions.com as well as LiveAuctioneers.com Saturday, May 31st, 10. And go get your favorite toy. Go 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. We got it all. Have a great day. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys.